Welcome back. Looks like we're ending around that 17,900 mark, off the day's high, but also off the day's low, down close to about 0.3%. In conversation with Mayuresh, Joshi and Mitesh Thakkar. Mayuresh, Varun Beverages is a stock which is doing quite well. There was a note from Jefferies today, and the stock has been an underperformer. It's lost about 16% from its 52-week high. Do you think that's an opportunity for people to enter in?
So numbers have been very solid, Reema. If you probably look at the number of cases they've sold, 670 million odd compared to 570 on a year-on-year basis. The EBITDA margin has seen a significant amount of stability, landing around 22% at this point of time. And the sheer volume growth, which is continuing both for its India operations and the operations in Africa as well. I think that continued volume momentum might very well sustain earnings growth going forward. The second element, obviously, in terms of the product mix as well. Carbonated drink 70%, water 25%, juice 5%. So that probably holds up to the entire value proposition when it comes from a product perspective. Third but not least, I think expectations in terms of stocking up in the next quarter for the summer season ahead. And a lot of their products are getting sugar-free as well. A lot of energy drinks coming into the forte as well. So yes, I think momentum might continue. Saw a significant amount of profit booking. But that was expected because the stock had run up quite significantly over the past few weeks.
All right, Mayuresh, thanks very much for that. There's, 3 minutes to go for market closing. So we'll start wrapping up things here. I mean, neither down 60 points, but if you just look at what dragged the market down, not very much. I mean, down 1.5 in that range. So nothing big per se. Although market breadth overall in the broader space was negative, which we'll come to in just a bit. PSU banks, IT and energy were the three sectors. So the Nifty PSU Bank Index was the top gainer. It was followed by the IT Index, and it was then followed by the Energy Index. These are the three pockets which largely did well, top down. The losses came through in the Metals Index and the Auto Index. These were stocks which were lower. In large caps, I think, actually, even though the index was down, what stood out was IT doing well. So Tech Mahindra, Infosys, HCL Tech, Wipro, between 1% and 3%. Tech Mahindra 3%, and then, Wipro up 1%. That's basically, at least on the large cap space, what stood out more than what was down. But broader markets, lots of action.